Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure you meet prerequisites and then act immediately. Create or log into the required account, confirm email, and enable 2FA for security. Once done, gather the necessary funds or in-game currency. Have dollar or 500 coins ready. Install the latest Dart client or game patch and verify minimum system specs so you don't hit errors mid-process. Make sure to record your user ID and transaction receipts before moving on to the next phase. Now you execute the complex middle steps to unlock the cap. You must complete the core quests or challenges, focus on the 3 mandatory tasks in sequence, and follow objective markers closely. Next, raise your stats to the required threshold, for example level 20 or around 75% proficiency in the necessary skill, because the system checks these automatically. Also prioritize gathering the specific token items, like 1 cap token plus the verifying artifact. Once these are in place, prepare to initiate the claim process. Finish by submitting the claim and verifying ownership so you actually receive the Dart cap. Open the claim interface, attach the cap token and any artifacts, then hit confirm. The system queues and processes your request. If verification prompts appear, enter the code sent to your email or upload the requested ID. Once confirmed, check your inventory and take a screenshot of the successful transaction or receipt. Troubleshooting tip: if the cap doesn't appear after 10 minutes, relog, clear cache, and resubmit proof to support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.